Zenith Watches epitomize Swiss horological mastery, blending heritage with innovation since 1865. Celebrated for pioneering the high-frequency automatic chronograph, Zenith showcases unparalleled precision and craftsmanship. Renowned for the iconic El Primero movement, these timepieces exemplify meticulous engineering and enduring elegance. From the classic Elite collection to the avant-garde Defy series, each watch reflects the brand's commitment to innovation and exquisite design. Embracing a legacy of precision and sophistication, Zenith Watches captivate enthusiasts seeking a harmonious fusion of tradition and cutting-edge technology, establishing the brand as a symbol of horological excellence and timeless luxury. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these watches in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 7. Zenith Defy Revival, a 3642. It's a modern reinterpretation of a classic timepiece, celebrating Zenith's heritage with a contemporary touch. Encased in a 37mm stainless steel case, it pays homage to the original Zenith 3642 from the 1960s, exuding a sleek and vintage-inspired aesthetic. The vibrant blue dial with a sunburst finish showcases rhodium-plated hands and hour markers, enhancing its elegance. Powered by the Elite automatic movement, renowned for its reliability and precision, the Defy Revival of 3642 brings together traditional craftsmanship with innovative technology. Number 6. Zenith Chronomaster Original Pink is a striking timepiece that seamlessly merges timeless design with modern sophistication. Encased in stainless steel, its 38mm diameter presents a harmonious balance, accentuated by a captivating pink dial that exudes elegance. The sub-dials, meticulously placed at the 3, 6, and 9 o'clock positions, add functional allure, providing chronograph complications alongside a date window at 4:30. Powered by the renowned El Primero automatic movement, this watch ensures precision and reliability, while the sapphire crystal caseback showcases the intricate mechanics within. Number 5. Zenith Chronomaster Original E-Commerce Edition embodies the brand's heritage and innovation, captivating enthusiasts with its distinctive design and modern functionality. Enclosed in a 38mm stainless steel case, its allure lies in the sophisticated sunburst blue dial adorned with contrasting white sub-dials at the 3, 6, and 9 o'clock positions, harmonizing functionality and aesthetics flawlessly. Powered by the iconic El Primero automatic movement, this timepiece boasts impeccable accuracy and a 50-hour power reserve. The exhibition case back offers a glimpse into the intricate workings of the movement, while the sporty stainless steel bracelet ensures both comfort and style. With its exclusive availability through e-commerce channels, this edition symbolizes Zenith's embrace of contemporary accessibility without compromising the brand's renowned craftsmanship and precision, making it an emblem of horological excellence in the digital age. Number 4. Zenith Master of Chronographs epitomizes the brand's dedication to precision, innovation, and timeless elegance. Revered for its expertise in crafting high-performance timepieces, Zenith presents a range of chronographs that harmonize technical mastery with exquisite design. Each model, characterized by a blend of classical elements and modern sophistication, features a variety of case sizes and materials, catering to diverse tastes. The meticulous craftsmanship of the dial, adorned with intricate sub-dials and complemented by luminescent hands, showcases Zenith's attention to detail. Equipped with the legendary El Primero movement, these chronographs boast remarkable accuracy and a rich history dating back to the 1960s, solidifying Zenith's position as a true master in the world of chronographs, where innovation meets tradition to create enduring horological marvels. Number 3. Zenith Pilot Montre d'Aéronef Type 20 Black Dial Automatic Men's Watch 292430 67,921 753 represents a remarkable fusion of aviation heritage and contemporary craftsmanship. Encased in a bold and substantial 48mm aged stainless steel case, Its commanding presence is complemented by a distinctive matte black dial with oversized Arabic numerals coated in luminescent material, offering excellent legibility in various conditions. The historical influence of aviation instruments is evident in its design, featuring cathedral-style hands and a large onion-shaped crown, paying homage to classic pilot watches. Powered by the robust Elite 679 automatic movement, it ensures precise timekeeping and a power reserve of approximately 50 hours. Paired with a distressed brown leather strap, this timepiece not only exudes rugged charm, but also embodies Zenith's commitment to crafting timepieces that resonate with enthusiasts seeking a blend of vintage aesthetics and modern reliability in aviation-inspired horology. Number 2. Zenith Defy Zero represents a pinnacle of technical innovation and exquisite design within the realm of horology. This avant-garde timepiece defies conventional gravity constraints by incorporating a gyroscopic gravity control module that ensures exceptional precision. Enclosed in a 44mm titanium case, its futuristic allure is enhanced by an open-work dial showcasing the intricate mechanisms of the gyroscopic escapement and the beating heart of the El Primero 8812's movement. This high-frequency caliber, beating at 5 is not only provides incredible accuracy, but also features a captivating 50-hour power reserve. The contemporary aesthetics, combined with the mesmerizing functionality of counteracting the effects of gravity on timekeeping, positions the Zenith Defy Zero as a testament to the brand's pioneering spirit in pushing the boundaries of traditional watchmaking, offering an extraordinary blend of technical prowess and aesthetic sophistication. Number 1. Zenith Defy Extreme Felipe Pantone is a breathtaking fusion of avant-garde design and cutting-edge watchmaking technology. Celebrating the spirit of innovation and creativity, this limited-edition timepiece showcases Felipe Pantone's iconic visual aesthetics through a mesmerizing blend of bold geometric patterns and vibrant colors. Encased in a 45mm black titanium case, its striking appearance is further accentuated by a dynamic multicolored open-work dial that exudes a sense of energy and movement. Equipped with the high-performance El Primero 9004 automatic movement, boasting a 50-hour power reserve, this watch not only captivates with its artistic brilliance, but also ensures exceptional accuracy and reliability.